Yes, sir. YouTube family. What is good, man? As you can see, your boy's in good spirits, man. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Glad to have y'all rocking out with your boy Jay, man. Look, for the positive vibes, the good energy, we need y'all to go ahead and start off the video. Hit that like button. Hit it right now. You know what I'm saying? Look, your boy, I'm gonna show y'all a quick little sneak peek of something, you know, that I just got in recently, as well as I'm gonna show y'all what I did pick up from GOAT, man. So this shoe was a shoe that I did pick up from the GOAT app. It did release, this shoe did release overseas. It has not yet hit the US, but a lot of y'all been hitting me up like, hey Jay, when you gonna show these? When you gonna? It's crazy. It's like every time I show y'all a shoe, like probably in this video, in the comment sections, somebody's gonna be asking about the next shoe. It's like I can never have enough, man. I done showed y'all the Georgetown 6s. I showed y'all the what shoes did I show y'all early? The UNC lows, the lost and found ones, the fire red 3s, like the list goes on, man. Every time I show a shoe, y'all asking about the next shoe. Can we appreciate one shoe? Nah, man, look, y'all the ones that keep me going. So, hey, keep them coming, and I'm gonna bring y'all these reviews, man. So, this is the first look, so we just about to get into a quick overview of this shoe. Hit that subscribe button if this is y'all first time rocking out with your boy Jay, man. We need y'all to stick around, roll to 100K, and hey, we coming, man. Thank y'all for all that y'all do for your boy, and like I did say earlier, all I ask of y'all to do is hit that like button. But with all that out the way, man, let's get into the vid, man. Let me go ahead and start off by showing y'all what your boy just got in. We'll go from there. Yo, taxi! Thank you, sir. Bang! Here we go, man. A shoe that I think is gonna bring back all the marbles, all the hype, all that good stuff to the Air Jordan 1 silhouette here in the US, because I love y'all overseas. I mess with y'all overseas, but y'all sleep, boy. Y'all sleep, man. So this pair that I do have in my hand, I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's a tiny size. This is a GS size. This is a 7Y. If you want an early pair, GS early pair, follow my Instagram at JTSG Closet. Request if you're not already a part of, you know what I'm saying, my following over there. Hit me up in the DM, say, hey, I see you got these posted, how much you want for them. We'll run numbers, and hey, you can get you a GS pair early, man. But yes, man, the Air Jordan 1 yellow toe, aka taxis, bruh. Y'all sleep, bro. Y'all sleep, man. But hey, stay sleeping, man. It's a beautiful thing. People can get the shoes that they want. So hey, continue to sleep. Continue to not buy high price shoes. Keep the prices down low so that sneakerheads can get back to the good old days where they can get what they want and not have to get their head cracked to get it, man. A lot of people have missed out on shoes, even considered getting UAs because they cannot get their hands on a legit pair for a fair price, man. So keep it the way it is. I love it. But yeah, man, y'all tripping, I think, man, for these not selling out. You know what I'm saying? Like overseas. But hey, buy what you like, man. Never go for the hype. But yes, sir, man. Quick look at these. Hopefully, well, tomorrow I'll probably hit y'all with an on feet video. So probably the day after that, I'll probably give y'all like a men's pair first look at these, because I do have a men's pair as well, man. So anyways, bro, let's get into this pickup that your boy did get from the GOAT app, and let's keep this video rolling, man. Yeah. Bang, man. So all the way from overseas somewhere, I don't know where exactly the shoe came from, but thank y'all once again for sleeping and letting me get these for a fairly cheap price. Yeah, man. Hey, got them. Another shoe that I will not have to worry about getting when these release in the US, because I really got all these shoes already, so I ain't got to spend all that money. I can just sit back and relax when these do release. But yeah, man, the shoe that I do have here, see what it look like. We got some paper right here up on the top. Snatch this out, man. You see what the box is, man. It says flight on the box. What could it be, man? What could it be? It says flight on the box. Like I did say, y'all, these have not released yet in the US. So you do have a flight on the box. If you are not anywhere underneath a rock or anything, you know that this is a Jordan 4. Because you have your flight written there. Jordan 3s do not usually have flight written on the bottom, if I'm thinking correctly. But anyways, man, cement bottom, regular Air Jordan 4 style box. Size tag reads, yeah, yes sir. So that is the size tag. I did get my size in them, and the color blocking is yes sir. But popping open the lid, man. When you pop open the lid, of course, hold on, this is something new. So as you, I don't know if y'all, yeah, y'all can. What is this, man? I have never seen this before. It's like a printed out receipt. Of course, my GOAT stuff just fell out. But what is this? I have never seen this before, man. It's a QR code with the name of the shoe on it, and it says shipped by. Okay, so this is, I guess this is like a shipping paper, man. Let me know if y'all have ever got one of these before. But yeah, man, so you do have that. Let me show y'all this stuff again so that y'all don't be like, you know, GOAT stuff, it fell out. But yes, GOAT, it was checked. Shout out to GOAT. Hopefully y'all got me right. I don't have to second guess my shoes. But anyways, man, taking a look at it, it does have like a light sale type of shoe paper in it. And are y'all ready? Y'all like, man, come on, bro, show the shoe, bro. Y'all been asking me about these, man, and I got them. Bang! The Air Jordan 4 Canyon Purples, man. And holy Barney, bro. Boy. Whew. Let me take them out, man. Let me take them out real quick so I can get my full assessment on them. You know, hey, real quick, man. Y'all see what's going on? Whew, Barney, Barney, Barney. Why green, though? Where did the green come from, bruh? Where did the green come from? But we gonna work with them, bro. We gonna work with them. So let's set this back here. Of course, y'all did see they come with an extra set of laces. That's kind of laced differently. I haven't really seen no shoes that was laced like this. And real quick, it does have a white and green sticker right there inside the box that y'all can see. I don't see any other stamps or stickers or anything else in this shoe. But, all right, man. Oh yeah, oh yeah. If you smell, bang! Here we go, man. The Air Jordan 4 Canyon Purple, man. So let me get both of them real quick. Get y'all a quick. Both of them in shot. Look at them right there, man. So Canyon 4s, I do have them early. They do look really like purple. You know what I'm saying? Like, but it's I don't know, bro. Like, I don't know what vibes I'm getting from this, bro. It's like a very, very furry suede on this shoe. Very furry. Like, I might gotta put some clippers on this joint around the tongue. But you see that tongue? Whoo! That tongue need a quick little fade, boy. A quick a 1 guard or a 2 guard on there, boy. Like, sheesh. But yeah, man, got these joints, and first thoughts on them, they cool, man. They cool. I think these will look a lot better on feet, man. I'm just assessing them from holding them in my hand, bro. But I think once I throw these on feet, I think that it's gonna make the world of a difference, man. Because right now I'm kind of trying to figure out where this green part came from, but it, in a weird way, it all flows, bro. It all flows. And of course, you got a splash of that like hot orange, like that safety orange on the top of the Jumpman, as well as on the back of the tongue, man. So very different shoe, bro. And it's not bad in my opinion, man. It's a good substitute for the Travis Scott 4s. I think that there's gonna be quite a few customizations of this shoe. Some people are gonna probably paint all those green parts black, which I don't blame you for, man. I think that this would be a dope customization shoe, man. Y'all let me know, bro. I don't usually customize shoes, but I might do something like that for the fam, man. So y'all let me know. Run them lights up, bro. Run them lights up. I might go crazy with these. I might paint all the green parts black. I don't know. I might do black where all the green is, and like a orange, the same color orange on the tongue on that Jumpman. I don't know, something like that. Might change this to a different color, like white or something. I don't know, but I might customize these, bro. Y'all just run them lights up, and trust me, it's a lot of things coming to the channel, man. But yes, the Canyon Air Jordan 4, the Canyon Purple Air Jordan 4s are in the collection. And if you guys don't know that this is a women's exclusive release, however, Bigfoot Gang, they spared y'all with this one, man, because this one does come in extended sizes. So if you have a size 12 in men's, 13 in men's, I think this shoe will go up to like a 17 or 17 and a half or something like that, which is equivalent to like a men's 16. So y'all are safe, man. Y'all are covered. If y'all want to get these when they do drop in the US, they do not have any set official release date right now as to when of these releasing in the US. But yeah, man. Whew. Yeah, man. These are not bad at all. Like I said, the green kind of throws me off, but I definitely could see where you could throw these on feet, you know what I'm saying? and put it on with a dope fit, and it'll all flow together. But yes sir, y'all let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on these. Quick close up, take a look at that furry suede that they have on this shoe. Nice, and it does of course have a two-tone motion when you swipe back and forth. And then you gotta know that when you get like a type of suede material like this one has, you're gonna have like flaws, like how you see how it's very light right here. You're gonna have all type of flaws like that all over the shoe because of the suede is gonna be heavier in certain places than it is in other places, man. So just know that there's gonna be quite a few different things to expect from these shoes when they do drop, man. But it does have that nice back and forth motion on it. But yeah, man, Canyon Purples officially in the collection. So look forward to the review on feet to these coming sometime. I'm not gonna say soon because I have a lot of videos to get to before I get to these, but if they just pop up with a release date out the blue and I have to get to these quicker than I think I'm gonna have to, then of course I will get to them. But I do have a lot of things coming, man. I still gotta give y'all the Air Jordan 1 Low video, which I might hit y'all with tomorrow. So on feet of that Air Jordan 1 Low EX, look forward to that tomorrow, and look forward to some other on feet such as the Georgetown 6s and more stuff this week, man. So hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, man. Rock out with your boy Jay, man. So Canyon Purples officially in the collection. We about to check out. Yeah, that's it. I'm gone, man. Y'all stay blessed. Peace.